Crypterium generally really is buy and buy esteemed at 10 cent CRPTs, especially intraday volume basically remains at $1,107,930, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Backing for the explicitly bears in a real sense has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 truly shows a descending pattern, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. 04 October 2023, in this article we will by and large walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and very attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some things, facts, what certainly is especially transient cost expectation for Crypterium, most certainly is CRPT a genuinely wise venture, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Which is very critical. Crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to plunging especially genuinely profound into the CRPT specialized examination, fundamentally really let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the pretty in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there sort of for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, or so they especially thought in an essentially significant manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume in a real sense sort of stands at $29,446,905,696, kind of exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner in a significant way. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, so Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how the by and large all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,446,905,696 in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, which really is very critical in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the sort of really local coin of XRP, fundamentally basically is up by 3.63 and presently exchanging at 53 cents in a very especially large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions sort of show that the market is going in a very descending course for certainly present moment, which for the most part is very critical. As of now, a very broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how the really complete exchanging volume basically generally remains at $29,446,905,696, which essentially is very critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers most certainly become certainly more especially dynamic and especially essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any very commonly further in every practical sense, genuinely enormous way. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that right now, a genuinely sort of broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large huge manner, or so they thought. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Crypterium, CRPT, Crypterium execution. The kind of essentially current Crypterium cost especially is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the beyond 24 hours, certainly further appearance how market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,087,907,108,321, really in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. At present, CRPT truly is somewhere near 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner, which especially is genuinely huge. Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 04 October 2023, inside an everyday time period, most certainly made sense of beneath, showing how Crypterium especially is as of now esteemed at 10 cents CRPT's extremely lovely intraday volume, most certainly all things considered, remains at $1,107,930, which basically is genuinely huge, which in a real sense is very critical. We utilize reasonably truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, truly straightforward moving essentially especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to all things considered. Fundamentally examine the future development of the Crypterium, which truly shows that at present, CRPT sort of is somewhere around 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The quick opposition for CRPT by and large is in a real sense found at 12 cents. And a breakout from this level could truly leads towards the in every way that really matters kind of next obstruction, which can for the most part be generally found at 13 cents, so Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. On the genuinely other hand, in the event that the bear sort of assume command and CRPT value, sort of neglects to in every practical sense, explicitly break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the vital help at $0.097 in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line fundamentally in a real sense is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, or so they sort of generally thought. Crypterium financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, by and large beautiful, in spite of prevalent thinking for the most part. The in every practical sense, by and large relative strength record, RSI, for CRPT coin, sort of is presently drifting at 32 for 14 days in every way that really matters, normal line, which especially implies CRPT fundamentally basically is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, so right now, a truly broad especially for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially is very critical. While CRPT's Williams % R pointer generally is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially signal for the most part is by and large conceivable at this